Now GC, let's go to the 4-hour chart here. It's messy, this is GC. I think this is most likely, I've changed the thing to have this as the alt 4. I think that's an ABC up for an alt 4, ABC for a B down, and we're getting a diagonal up, ABC 1, ABC 2, 1187.5 this needs to hold, and then a 3, 4, 5 up to around the 1238 area. If we take out 1184, then it starts to favour the idea that you've got an ABC 1 of this down, and this was a 2, and then we're going to get a 3, 4, 5 as an ending diagonal down in the metals and miners. So watch 1184.3 in GC. If we can hold above there and take out 1212, we should see, albeit as a diagonal, so messy, a move up to 1238 next in GC.